For years, the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries have grappled with the complexities of scheduling, client management, and payment processing. From busy salon owners trying to juggle appointments and walk-ins, to fitness instructors needing to manage class rosters and memberships, the administrative burden can be immense. And on the flip side, as clients, we've all experienced the frustration of trying to find an open slot that fits our schedule, only to be met with a full voicemail box or a clunky online system that feels like it's stuck in the dial-up era. We want convenience, efficiency, and the ability to connect with our favorite service providers on our own terms, whenever and wherever we are. This demand for seamless digital interaction isn't just a luxury. It's become an expectation. In a world driven by instant gratification and mobile accessibility, businesses that fail to adapt risk falling behind. Clients are looking for intuitive ways to discover new services, read reviews, book appointments, and even pay, all from the palm of their hand. And businesses are desperately searching for tools that can not only meet these client demands but also significantly reduce their own administrative overhead, free up their staff to focus on what they do best, and ultimately, help them grow. So, for all of you out there who have ever wondered if there's a better way, a comprehensive solution that bridges this gap between service providers and their clients, a system that truly leverages the power of mobile technology to simplify and enhance the entire experience, let's talk about Vagaro. And more specifically, let's answer the burning question. Does Vagaro have an app? The short answer, a resounding yes. Vagaro absolutely has an app, and in fact, it has two main apps, each tailored to serve a specific, crucial purpose within the beauty, wellness, and fitness ecosystem. This dual-app approach is a testament to Vagaro's commitment to providing a holistic and incredibly user-friendly experience for everyone involved. First, let's look at the Vagaro app for clients. This is the app designed specifically for you, the person looking to book a service. Think of it as your personal gateway to a world of beauty, wellness, and fitness services right in your local area and beyond. Available on both iOS and Android devices, this app transforms the often tedious process of finding and booking appointments into a smooth, intuitive experience. Imagine you're having a busy week and suddenly realize you desperately need a massage, or maybe you're traveling and want to find a highly rated hair salon nearby. With the Vagaro client app, you can simply open it up, search for salons, spas, fitness studios, barbershops, or any other service provider in your vicinity. You can filter by service type, location, and even browse through detailed profiles of businesses and individual professionals. This means you can see photos of their work, read genuine client reviews and ratings, and get a real feel for a business before you even consider booking. Once you've found the perfect fit, the booking process is a breeze. The app shows real-time availability, allowing you to select the exact date and time that works best for your schedule. No more guessing games or back-and-forth phone calls. You can book instantly, and many businesses even offer the option to prepay for appointments, making your arrival and checkout process even smoother. But the convenience doesn't stop there. The Vagaro client app sends you automated email and text reminders for your upcoming appointments, significantly reducing the chances of a missed session. You can easily manage your bookings, reschedule, cancel, or even confirm, all directly within the app. Some businesses also offer loyalty programs through Vagaro, allowing you to collect and redeem points towards future services. It's truly about putting the power of choice and control directly into the client's hands. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the other side of the coin, the Vagaro Pro app. This app is an absolute game-changer for businesses in the beauty, wellness, and fitness sectors. If you're a salon owner, a personal trainer, a massage therapist, a yoga studio manager, or really any professional who manages appointments and clients, the Vagaro Pro app is designed to be your indispensable mobile office. Also available on both iOS and Android, this app empowers businesses to run their entire operation from their phone or tablet. Think about the sheer number of tasks involved in running a service-based business. Managing a constantly shifting schedule, keeping track of client information, processing payments, handling inventory, and even marketing your services. Traditionally, this required a complex web of disparate systems, paper calendars, and endless spreadsheets. The Vagaro Pro app consolidates all of this into a single, powerful, and intuitive platform. With Vagaro Pro, managing your calendar becomes effortless. You can view your entire day, week, or month at a glance, drag and drop appointments to reschedule, and even color-code staff schedules for easy visualization. The app supports triple booking to maximize efficiency, allowing you to fit more clients into your day without feeling overwhelmed. It also integrates seamlessly with online booking, so when a client books through the client app or your website, it automatically updates your schedule in real time. Client management is revolutionized with Vagaro Pro. You can maintain a comprehensive client database, storing everything from contact details and appointment history to service preferences, allergies, and even personal notes. This level of detail allows you to provide a truly personalized experience, making clients feel valued and understood. The app also enables automated communication with clients, from appointment reminders to birthday messages and follow-up thank yous, all designed to build stronger relationships and reduce no-shows. Beyond scheduling and client management, Vagaro Pro handles payment processing with ease. You can accept credit card payments, manage gift certificates, and even set up recurring memberships or packages directly through the app. Inventory management helps you keep track of your products, ensuring you never run out of essential items. For marketing, Vagaro Pro offers tools to create and send email and text campaigns, promoting special offers or new services to your client base. Some even leverage AI description generators to quickly craft compelling content for their business, services, and classes. One of the most powerful aspects of the Vagaro Pro app is its comprehensive reporting and analytics features. You can generate insightful reports on your income, client acquisition, popular services, and even track staff performance. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed business decisions, identify trends, and strategically plan for growth. For multi-location businesses, Vagaro also offers features to manage multiple locations and share client information across them, further streamlining operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.